The light pen was developed in A. 1942, B. 1976, C. 1950, D. 1992. The correct answer is 1950. The two main components of the CPU is A. Control unit and registers, B. Control unit and ALU, C. Registers and main memory, D. ALU and bus. The correct answer is control unit and ALU. A factor which might cause an individual to consider using a computer in criminal activities is other computers' access to large sums of money, B. the speed with which the crime can be accomplished, C. EFT's electronic funds transfer system, D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Transmission and presentation of text and graphics is called A. teletext, B. network, C. telematic, D. video text. The correct answer is video text. Which of the following is directory controlled from a keyboard? A. card punch, B. punched paper tape, C. magnetic disk, D. magnetic tape. The correct answer is card punch. Which of the following is a machine for reading documents that are encoded in a way that is readable by person and machine? A. document reader, B. distributed system, C. artificial intelligence, D. document sorter. The correct answer is document reader. Which of the following does not affect the resolution of a video display image? A. bandwidth, B. raster scan rate, C. vertical and horizontal lines of resolution, D. screen size. The correct answer is screen size. Which was the first commercial computer built by M.V. Wilkies? A. supercomputer, B. Leo, C. mainframe, D. microcomputer. The correct answer is Leo. Diskettes and hard disks are A. direct access devices, B. sequential access devices, C. slower than magnetic tape, D. used only in mainframe computers. The correct answer is direct access devices. If you see a diskette with a piece of foil covering its notch, it is said to be A. write protected, B. copy protected, C. write enabled, D. foil covered. The correct answer is write protected. No computer can do anything without A. program, B. memory, C. chip, D. output device. The correct answer is program. The estimation of the value of a function at a point beyond the interval in which the data lies is called known as A. interpolation, B. simulation, C. emulation, D. extrapolation. The correct answer is interpolation. An input device that is able to interpret pencil marks on paper media is known as A. magnetic disk, B. optical mark reader, C. card puncher, D. magnetic tape. The correct answer is optical mark reader. Front-end processor is a designed specifically to handle the communications processing task. A. ALU, B. control unit, C. CPU, D. register. The correct answer is CPU. The shifting of a program from one of the memory addresses to another is A. data transmission, B. data collection, C. relocation, D. database. The correct answer is relocation. Arranging data in a specific order is called A. merging, B. sorting, C. classification, D. verification. The correct answer is sorting. The area of computer science which is concerned with the display of pictures is A. networks, B. graphics, C. designing, D. architecture. The correct answer is Graphics. Which of the following is a computer memory that can be programmed once but not reprogrammed? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. PROM. D. EEPROM. The correct answer is PROM. A programming language intended to solve a no of different types of problems is A. COBOL. B. General Purpose Programming Language. C. BASIC. D. FORTRAN. The correct answer is General Purpose Programming Language. Which of the following is used as a primary storage device? A. Magnetic drum. B. PROM. C. Floppy disk. D. All of the above. The correct answer is PROM. A program used to detect overall system malfunction is A. System analysis. B. System software. C. Utilities. D. System diagnostics. The correct answer is System diagnostics. What was the computer conceived by Babbage? A. Analytical engine. B. Arithmetic machine. C. Donald Knuth. D. All of the above. The correct answer is Analytical engine. A. Acronym for the organization that publishes programming language standard is A. ASCN. B. BCD. C. ANSI. D. EBCDIC. The correct answer is ANSI. Which of the following is used to make a programs run when the computer is switched on? A. Autoboot. B. Wormboot. C. Bubble. D. Authentication. The correct answer is Autoboot. A microprocessor chip used in a PC system. A. Performs the arithmetic logic and control functions. B. Is the only chip count in most PC models. C. Almost always operates on by bits of data at a time. D. Performs the primary storage function. The correct answer is performs the arithmetic logic and control functions. ELIAC is A. Supercomputer. B. Mini computer. C. Mainframe computer. D. Microcomputer. The correct answer is supercomputer. An electrical interconnection that permit 8 or more bits of data to be moved in the same instant of time is called A. Outline processor. B. Parallel interface. C. Page layout program. D. Facsimile system. The correct answer is parallel interface. The hardware in which data may be stored for a computer system is called A. Registers. B. Bus. C. Control unit. D. Memory. The correct answer is memory. Conversion of an octal number 738 to binary number is A. 1,10,111 B. 1,11,102 C. 1,10,010 D. 1,11,011 The correct answer is 1,11,011. Software that's loaded into a computer primary storage area is known as A. Memory resident package. B. File management system. C. Electronic spreadsheet program. D. Utilities. The correct answer is Memory resident package. Which of the following are the building blocks of all the circuits in a computer? A. Circuit switch. B. Logic gates. C. Logical operators. D. Instructions. The correct answer is logic gates. How many symbols exist in Baudot code? A. 42. B. 116. C. 58. D. 76. The correct answer is 58. Which gate sends on a pulse when it receives one at either or both of its terminals? A. NOR. B. NOT. C. O. D. none. The correct answer is O. A circuit which can store information is known as A. Integrated circuit. B. Chip. C. Memory cell. D. Gate. The correct answer is memory cell. Where was the India's first computer installed and when? A. Institute of Social Science, Agra, 1955. B. Indian Institute of Statistics, Delhi, 1957. C. Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, 1955. D. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, 1971. The correct answer is Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, 1955. A language based on graphics for use in education is A. Prolog. B. Logo. C. COBOL. D. Basic. The correct answer is Logo. Non-volatility is an important advantage of A. CCDs. B. Magnetic tapes and disks. C. Magnetic bubbles. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. Which company produces processors for the Apple Macintosh? A. IBM. B. Motorola. C. Intel. D. AMD. The correct answer is Motorola. The essential features of a number system are A. Radix. B. Set of distinct counting digits. C. Bits. D. Both AB. The correct answer is both AB. Which of the following high-speed non-impact printers are fast enough to print the entire book in about 1 minute? A. Laser. B. Dot matrix. C. Page. D. Line. The correct answer is page. An identifying label on the first record of magnetic tape is A. Punched paper tape. B. Optical mark reader. C. Tape label. D. Joystick. The correct answer is tape label. Supercomputers are primarily useful for A. Input-output intensive processing. B. Data retrieval operations. C. Mathematical intensive scientific applications. D. All of the above. The correct answer is mathematical intensive scientific applications. A reflective marker that indicates the end of the usable tape is A. End user. B. End of tape. C. Optical mark reader. D. Fax. The correct answer is end of tape. Which of the following are not likely to be found on a PC main circuit board? A. RAM chips. B. Microprocessor chips. C. ROM chips. D. LCD clocks. The correct answer is LCD clocks. A specific part of an arithmetic logic unit that is used to perform the operation of multiplication is A. Multiplier. B. Multiplanar. C. Multivibrator. D. Quantization. The correct answer is multiplier. Which of the following is used for input and output both? A. Graph plotter. B. Teletype terminal. C. Line printer. D. All of the above. The correct answer is teletype terminal. Character readers are those devices which read the characters printed on the source documents and then convert them directly into computer-usable input. Which of the following is not a character reader? A. OCR. B. Mic. C. OMR. D. LCD. The correct answer is LCD. SPSS stands for A. Statistical Package for Systems Science. B. Systems Package for Social Science. C. Statistical Package for Social Science. D. All of the above. The correct answer is Statistical Package for Social Science. An integrated circuit (IC) is A. Fabricated on a tiny silicon chip. B. A complicated circuit. C. Much costlier than a single transistor. D. An integrating device. The correct answer is fabricated on a tiny silicon chip.